Yeah, we're dancing to the rhythm. Make it smooth, feel the flow, let it take control. This year's the moment, let's ignite the spark. CSCS and CDE, they're watching in the dark. Milestone set, let's reach for the sky. Data population, yeah, we're aiming high. With every detail, precision's the key. Making it happen, just you wait and see. Make a plan to be error-free. When you need to be, come dance with me. Move it, groove it, keep it right. We'll celebrate success, shining so bright. From now till June, our mission is clear. Local systems popping, let's give a cheer. Posting files up, Calpits on the rise. Validation errors, keep them in our sights. Updating records, making all correct. This groove won't stop until we perfect. Make a plan to be error-free. When you need to be, come dance with me. Move it, groove it, keep it right. We'll celebrate success, shining so bright.
So June 20, let's resolve the flaws. Review those reports, it's a cause for flaws. Snapshot moments, check them one by one. Data's got to reflect everything we've done.
Keep it smooth, this rhythm's upbeat. Accurate records, let's bring on the heat. July 10th's coming, errors won't stand. Together we rise, always hand in hand. Oh, make a plan to be error-free. When you need to be, come dance with me. Move it, groove it, keep it right. We'll celebrate success, shining so bright.
So here's to the milestones, let's celebrate. In the soulful dance we'll elevate. With every step we're striving, you see. Together we'll shine, let's stay error-free.